In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Just Markets account. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is register for an account with Just Markets. And after that, you want to go to the My Accounts tab here on the dashboard, and you have two options. You can either open up a real or a demo account. So just select the one you want and click on Open New Account up top right over here. When you do that, you have to then select your platform, so either MT5 or MT4, and then you can select different account types. As you can see, they have like 4 right now. So here you can then click on Try Demo if you want to create a demo account, or Open Real Account if you want a real account. Click on that, and then you have to basically select your currency, the leverage you want to use, the trading password you're going to be using to log in either into MT5 or MT4. So that's up to you. Just make sure you don't forget it. And then here you have to also set the balance in case you're using a demo account. Click on Create Account, and then you'll be able to see it under your account list over here, and you'll also receive the credentials to log in onto your email. So that's how to create an account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.